The SEI stands for Strategy, Entrepreneurship, Innovation, and it's actually a great initiative organized by a number of European business schools. And of course, we're very happy at Esade to be able to host and organize the faculty workshop and the Doctoral Consortium. The goal of this initiative is to bring together PhD students with junior faculty and more senior faculty, and the idea is to help PhD students navigate the job market, get the opportunity to present their work, and also get exposure to what they do.
For the junior scholars, not only they meet senior scholars, they get mentorship, they get comments, but they also have the opportunity of meeting their peers. And of course, for the senior scholars, it's also a way to spot new talent.
I think as junior faculty, it's amazing to have this opportunity to be able to present your research, to get a lot of feedback from senior scholars, amazing opportunities also with regards to the session format.
I wanted to get diverse perspectives on my research. So it's great to have some of the best scholars from strategy, entrepreneurship and innovation giving feedback on my research.
Our work is based on what we call invisible colleges, so it's the idea that as academics we don't just belong to a single institution, but we belong to the scientific community of scholars in our discipline. And those are the scholars that are going to be our colleagues and our co-authors, but also are the scholars who are going to judge our work in the future.
Well, hopefully I'll get from the feedback some useful perspectives on whether my research is well framed and also whether the empirics that I'm showing are convincing and whether the theory that I've developed is novel enough for that audience.
I really like the work she's doing, so I'm very much looking forward to receiving her feedback and the way it will hopefully help us to actually improve the paper.